In simple terms, EDI is the electronic exchange of messages, such as orders, invoices, and ASNs between you and your trading partners. Whether you're a small company who has been asked to trade electronically by one or more of your customers, or a larger organization that wants to trade electronically with all your suppliers, it's important to understand what options are available to you. There are two main types of EDI solutions: on-premise, which are also known as in-house systems, or outsourced solutions. Whilst both enable you to trade electronically, the differences between the two can be surprising. Whilst on-premise EDI enables organizations to benefit from electronic trading, it's not without its problems. It requires considerable upfront and ongoing investment in software and hardware. It demands dedicated IT resource to implement and manage systems, leaves your business at risk of disruption to daily activities due to the pressures of needing to rapidly respond to system issues, can be a thorn in the side of IT departments as they spend valuable time onboarding trading partners and responding to changing requirements, distracts the attentions of IT staff rather than allowing them to focus on value-added tasks due to the vast array of connectivity protocols and message formats. There is a better way. Outsourcing EDI overcomes many of the issues of on-premise EDI and can be far more beneficial than in-house management. It removes the burden and risks associated with technical issues, with no requirements for hardware or software at your premises, provides resources to set up the system and onboard your trading partners, getting you up and running quickly and easily, delivers ongoing support, enabling internal IT resources to be redeployed to more value-added tasks. Despite the benefits of outsourced versus on-premise EDI, it's important to note that there are differing levels of service offered by outsourced EDI providers. Some outsourced solutions are very basic and still require considerable IT resource to manage. At TrueCommerce, we go above and beyond with our next-generation EDI Managed Service. TrueCommerce gives your organization the competitive edge with a robust, scalable, and cost-effective managed service that harnesses the power of our leading trading partner platform. Our fully managed EDI service enables the benefits of EDI to be enjoyed by all businesses, regardless of size, technical capabilities, or market sector. We provide a future-proof commerce network built on a first-class infrastructure, a dedicated team who manages the entire implementation and onboarding process, 24/7 support for you and your trading partners, proactive monitoring for message validation failures and errors, a UK-based managed service team who look after the day-to-day running of EDI, enabling you to focus on what you do best. To talk to us about outsourcing your EDI or find out more about our fully managed service, get in touch with us now.